Here's the algebraic definition of division. For any real numbers a and b where b does not equal 0, a divided by b is equal to a times the reciprocal of b. So here's an example. 2/3 divided by 5/6. So that should change to 2/3 times the reciprocal of 5/6. So we write it that way. Notice we've changed the divide to times, and we've reversed the 5/6 to 6/5 because 6/5 is the reciprocal of 5/6. Then we do our multiplication the way we've done multiplication for a long time. We look for common factors in the numerators and denominators, and we have between 3 and 6, 3 goes into itself 1 time, and 3 goes into 6 2 times. There are no common factors between 2 and 5, so we multiply, and we get 4/5. And that's the answer to this division problem. Let's try another problem. We have 8 divided by 4/7. Well, the first thing we're going to do is write the 8 as a fraction. Whenever we have an integer, we can always write the integer over 1 to put it in fraction form. Then we're going to change the divide to times and change the 4/7 to its reciprocal, 7/4. So now, instead of dividing by 4/7, we're multiplying by its reciprocal, 7/4. Look for some common factors. 4 goes into itself once. 4 goes into 8 2. 2 times 7 is 14, and 1 times 1 is 1. The best way to write 14 over 1 is just plain old 14. And that's our answer to this division problem. Here's another division problem. 9/16 divided by 6. For convenience, we change it to 9/16 divided by 6 over 1. And of course, the reciprocal of 6 over 1 is 1/6. So it's 9/16 times 1/6. Both 9 and 6 are divisible by 3. So we do 9 divided by 3 to get 3, and 6 divided by 3 to get 2. We multiply 3 times 1 to get 3, and 16 times 2 to get 32. And that's our answer for this division problem. Here's two mixed numbers, 5 2/3 divided by 2 3/5. Well, the first thing we do is we change each mixed number into an improper fraction. On the first one, it's 3 times 5 plus 2 to get 17/3. And on the second one, it's 5 times 2 plus 3 to get 13/5. Then we change the divide by 13/5 as multiplying by its reciprocal, 5/13. Look for common factors. I can't find any. So we just have to multiply it out. We get 85 over 39, which is in lowest terms. If you prefer mixed numbers, you can convert that to 2 and 7/39. Either one is fine as the answer to the division problem, 5 2/3 divided by 2 3/5. A complex fraction is a fraction with a fraction in the numerator and or the denominator. So here's an example. 4 7/10 is the numerator, 6 2/3 is the denominator. But remember, fractions are just division, so it's really 4 7/10 divided by 6 2/3. Perhaps you're more comfortable seeing it written horizontally. We change the mixed numbers to improper fractions, as shown, and then we change the division to multiply by the reciprocal. Look for common factors, and once again, there are none. So we end up with 141 over 200, which is a fraction in lowest terms. So that's our answer to the division problem, 4 7/10 divided by 6 2/3. Once again, the algebraic definition of division. For any real numbers a and b where b does not equal 0, a divided by b is equal to a times the reciprocal of b. Or in other words, a divided by b equals a times 1 over b.